Welcome again, everyone. Now we have reached the last part of the chapter, that what was the managerial response to the business environment because of the changes of LPG policies. So let us see one by one how did the managers responded. First point is mergers and acquisitions took place. How did this happen? To achieve the entry, dominance, and advantage over the competitors in the market, companies followed the strategy of mergers and acquisitions with other company in order to expand and grow their size. When more than two companies come into existence together, their size would grow. So managerial response was firstly they started merging and started the acquisitions for their own organizations. Second is diversification spree. Companies have indulged in diversifying their business into different areas, into different fields. That is, they started expanding, they started growing, they started diversifying for entering into the competitive world now. This was the managerial response. Thirdly, they adopted the customer oriented approach. Now, customer was considered as the king of the market. Managers focused more on the needs of the customers and their satisfaction through gathering information and market research. So, firstly, these managers they gathered, they analyzed the market information, they decided, they came to know about what was the customer's demand, and then started producing as per the requirement of the market. So entirely the approach shifted from producer oriented to customer oriented. It entirely tilted. Now customer was considered as the kingpin of the market, and his demands were considered first, on the basis of which the production activities were done. Brand building. Branding creates awareness about the product and its company. Hence, companies had decided their expenditures for developing their brand name. That is, more such activities, the companies, they involved themselves in more such activities which could help in developing their brand and making them a famous brand in the market, such as advertising, such as promoting their products through various incentives, through various schemes. For example, a distribution of free samples, free gifts, buy one get one free, providing a holiday packages to the consumers, advertising on a larger scale, creation of hoardings, and all such activities were done which would promote their product in the market and which would help in developing the brand name and improving the quality of the product for maintaining the loyalty of the consumer. So brand building was one of the responses of the managers. Consolidation of the multinationals. MNCs were consolidated due to the removal of the restrictions now because of the liberalization. The restrictions were removed. Many MNCs they entered in India through joint ventures. So multinationals also had consolidations with the other organizations, with the other companies. Then technological upgradation, as I told you beforehand, also with the changes in technological developments, companies also modernized their business and became more adapted to new technologies in order to expand, in order to grow, in order to providing something good to the society better than the other competitors. Because of the cutthroat competition, technological upgradation took place. And better labor relations. Management changed their attitude towards the employees. They started developing their employees too. So human resource development was required. Training was given to these managers to develop the skills of the employees along with the increase in salaries and wages. So this was the managerial response to the policy changes brought by the government in the year 1991. I hope that this chapter is completely understood by you. In case of any doubts, you can text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you all.